Hello, dear enthusiasts of industrial electrical equipment. Today I'm going to introduce you to an electrical device that you probably did not even know existed, especially if you don't regularly deal with lightning poles, street lightning, floodlights, mass and all that stuff. Today I have in front of me a junction box that honestly you might think you could do without. By the way, drop a comment below and let me know what you think about that. This is a junction box for lightning networks, specifically for lightning poles like the EKM-2050. And there might be a bunch of numbers following that depending on the technical specs. But the general concept is this. EKM is the generic name. It's produced by several companies, Raytheon, TYCO Electronics, and I think there is a Russian manufacturer too. And this junction box is just one of the modifications. In other versions, the layout of fuses or terminal blocks might differ, but the principle is the same. It is an elongated junction box designed to be installed inside a hollow lightning pole. Its purpose is to connect the light fixtures cable to the main power cable, which has a significantly larger cross section. And now let me move the camera closer to so we can take a better look at this marvel of engineering and figure out, is it even worth installing these kinds of boxes. Okay, I won't overload this video with specs, dimensions, weight or even the price, though it can cost around $100. The box body is made of impact-resistant plastic with an IP54 environmental protecting rating, meaning it's practically dust-proof and protected against splashing water. There is a loop on the body for hanging it on a hook. The assumption is that there is a hook inside the pole, but on the pole where I took this from, there were no hooks and the box was just hinging on the cables. But these are armored cables, very stiff, so installing this thing inside the pole is pretty inconvenient. Armored cables, a small hatch and other unpleasant details. Durable plastic and stainless steel contacts. The only thing here that reacts to a magnet is these little springs on the glass covers. Okay. Just like that. I can easily remove the cover with a screwdriver and take a look inside. On this protected cover there is a diagram of the electrical connections. You can connect a 5-core cable, 3 phases, neutral and ground. The terminals are stainless steel, rated for 16 amps. In theory, you could connect about 20 100-watt fixtures without issues. In reality, though, it's much fewer, since modern outdoor fixtures are usually around 60 watts. You can install a circuit breaker for each fixture. It's not expensive at all, either in a box or on a DIN rail, or 2 breakers if you have 2 fixtures on one pole. It depends on the situation, of course. Maybe there is a floodlight with a wall kilowatt of power. I'm saying this because there is no water spraying inside the pole. Humidity, sure, maybe, but during operation the breakers heat up a bit and dry themselves out. But that's if the humidity is moderate. By the way, this panel, it can be shifted. I tried it and it worked. but I am not sure what the point of that is. My opinion, in harsh conditions near the sea, where it's minus 50 degrees Celsius in winter and the humidity is high, then yes, this solution makes sense, or if the customer has the budget. In moderate climates, you can just install regular circuit breakers inside the pole, even in a simple plastic box, and wire it up the usual way. It will last as long as the lighting pole itself. You could even skip the circuit breakers, but then, if there is a short circuit or overheating, the wall line will shut down. So that's my review, dear friends. Let me know in the comments what you think about this device. If you have worked with it, tell me, is it convenient for installation, maintenance, or operations? Thank you for watching, and I wish you all success in your work and safe labor. Bye.